In a fucking whole trip. This is a lot. I'm gonna have to clearance that much off the original template. Cut off just the fucking line, death wheel style. But that's perfect fucking trim. I think I have a video of doing this last year. When it peels off the plastic of. I still gotta do all the remaining of the fucking screws, but it looks so sexy with it fucking tinted now. Because the truck first started rolling around in 2018, late 2017. When we first rolled it in, out of the fucking, it had a 5.0 fuel injected, and then this is the third window. But damn, look at this bitch, looks clean in there with a fucking new window. And well, it has this trim with all the spikes and shit, you know, you just gotta install all this shit. Oh no, man, fuck what your mom told you. I dig the lexan with the speed holes and the fucking rivets. But hell yeah, it should be sick. You just gotta fucking do this a million times and get all the holes. And holes had to be drilled. And well, now you gotta fucking cap off every screw with a spike. And gear spikes. New glass. That shit looks wicked. It almost looks like the color of a modern car glass.